Welcome to Health Inside. Today, we're talking about a harsh and devastating reality. A rare cancer called mesothelioma, and along with it, the legal battles, compensation fights, and the rights of victims.
When you are to consider the right law firm for your case, there's a lot of things that should be considered. There's big mesothelioma firms, small mesothelioma firms. The benefit to some small mesothelioma firms is that they get a personal interaction.
Every year in America, nearly 3,000 people are diagnosed with mesothelioma. But here's the truth. This isn't just a health issue. It's a story of corporate negligence, legal accountability, and billions of dollars in compensation. In this video, we'll uncover why mesothelioma happens, why lawyers play such a critical role, how the lawsuit process actually works, how compensation is secured, and most importantly, what rights victims truly have. Stay with us until the end, because this information could literally change or even save someone's life. What is mesothelioma? Mesothelioma is a type of cancer that forms in the body's mesothelium, the thin lining around vital organs like the lungs, abdomen, and heart. This isn't like common cancers. Mesothelioma has a direct connection to one toxic mineral, asbestos. Decades ago, asbestos was used everywhere in America, in buildings, factories, shipyards, even automobile parts. Why? Because it was cheap, durable, and fire-resistant. But scientists already knew long ago that asbestos could cause cancer. Still, many companies never warned their workers and failed to provide proper safety measures. And the result? Decades later, countless workers developed mesothelioma, asbestosis, and other deadly lung diseases. That SY mesothelioma is not just a medical problem, it is a form of corporate crime. Why do you need a lawyer? Here's the question. If you're diagnosed, why do you need a lawyer? Because mesothelioma isn't just about health. Its roots lie in workplace negligence and corporate responsibility. Most patients don't know which company exposed them to asbestos, where exactly to file a lawsuit, or how much compensation they may be entitled to. This is where a mesothelioma lawyer or a specialized law firm steps in. They don't just know the law, they know which companies used asbestos in the past, which courts have held them liable, and exactly how to build a case to win compensation. The lawsuit process. Filing a mesothelioma lawsuit is a step-by-step process. Case evaluation. The lawyer reviews the patient's medical records, work history, and identifies where asbestos exposure happened. Many law firms offer this consultation for free. Filing the lawsuit, the case is filed against the companies responsible for asbestos exposure. Sometimes, multiple companies are sued at once. Discovery phase. Both sides collect evidence. Testimonies are taken from the patient and family. Here, the strength of evidence can determine the future of the case, settlement, or trial. Most lawsuits are settled out of court. This means companies pay millions, even billions, in compensation to avoid lengthy trials. But some cases do go to trial, where a jury decides the verdict. Each lawsuit is more than just a personal fight against cancer. It's about holding corporations accountable for decades of negligence. A battle for justice and responsibility compensation. The most talked about part of a mesothelioma lawsuit is compensation. This isn't just about covering medical bills. It is about restoring a family's right to justice. Compensation can include medical expenses, lost income, physical pain and emotional suffering, financial support for the family, wrongful death claims if the patient passes away, and in many cases, these settlements reach millions of dollars. That's why in the US, one of the most searched terms is mesothelioma law firm, because on one side there's the brutal fight against cancer, and on the other side the fight to secure a family's financial future. Victims' rights. For mesothelioma patients, the right to justice goes beyond just medical care. They are entitled to medical expense coverage. Companies can be forced to pay treatment costs, lost wages compensation for income lost because the patient can't work, pain and suffering, for the mental and physical toll of the disease, wrongful death claims Families have the right to compensation if a loved one dies from mesothelioma. Free legal consultation Many law firms offer free case evaluations to victims and their families. These aren't just rights, they're a part of true justice. Why a specialized law firm matters. Why do you need a specialized mesothelioma law firm? Because they know which companies used asbestos in the past. Where the asbestos trust funds are billions of dollars set aside for victims. How to negotiate faster settlements without years of delay. A regular lawyer may not handle these complex cases effectively, but a mesothelioma lawyer not only fights the case, they stand beside the patient and family every step of the way.
When a client reaches out to us regarding filing an asbestos-related claim, we do tend to find that our clients are very surprised at how easy the process is. We do all of the work. We know what's needed. We know what we're looking for. We want our clients to focus on their upcoming care and treatment. And from there, and over the years, we've been able to build up such a vast amount of information in our database and our resources. And that comes from being one of the most successful and knowledgeable mesothelioma law firms.
Final message. Mesothelioma is not just a disease. It's a story of corporate greed, neglected workers, and families left in tears. But there is hope. Today, victims are not alone. The law, financial compensation, and specialized attorneys stand with them. So if you or someone you love has ever been exposed to asbestos, don't wait. Reach out to a specialized mesothelioma law firm. Because justice doesn't only happen in a courtroom. Justice happens when a victim finally receives the compensation and rights they deserve. Thank you for staying with us here at Health Inside. Stay aware, stay strong, and above all, stay healthy.